Hi all, my name is Vineetha, 4th semester B.Ed Mathematics student of MI Training College, Ponnani. Today, we are going to learn a mathematical topic, real numbers. What is real numbers? Real numbers. Real numbers is a quantity that can be expressed as an infinite decimal expansion. Real numbers are used in measurements of continuously varying quantities such as size and type. Real numbers consisting of different forms of numbers such as natural numbers, whole numbers, etc. Here, it is natural numbers. Natural numbers are the counting numbers greater than or equal to 1. For example, 1, 2, 3, etc. The next type is whole numbers. What is whole numbers? Whole numbers is the set of all non-negative integers such as 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. It's the set of all natural numbers together with 0. The next type is integers. Integers is the set of positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. It has no decimal or fraction components. That is the negative numbers, 0 and the positive numbers. That is, it's the set of all whole numbers together with negative numbers. The real numbers is mainly classified into two types, the rational numbers and the irrational numbers. The rational numbers is the form a by b, where a and b are integers. For example, 9 by 17, 2 by 3, 0 and all the integers. The next is irrational numbers. Irrational numbers cannot be expressed as a ratio of two integers. For example, pi, root 2, root 7, etc. Now, let us look at the diagrammatic representation of real numbers. We first learn about the natural numbers. If we added the digit 0 with the natural numbers, we get the whole number. Then the whole numbers along with the negative numbers forms integers. All the integers are the rational numbers are of the form a by b. All the numbers which are not rational numbers are called irrational numbers. Here, first we learn natural numbers. Natural numbers along with 0 we get the whole numbers. All the whole numbers and including the negative numbers we get the integers. All the integers are the rational numbers are of the form a by b. The irrational numbers is different from the rational numbers. The real numbers play a crucial role in our daily life. Here are some common real life applications. Look, the first one is money and finance. Calculating the income, expense and savings, and also determining the interest on loans and investments, and also the currency exchange and budgeting. The next one is time measurement, reading clocks and calculating the time differences and estimating travel duration and schedules. Measuring the event duration in sports is also a real life application of real numbers. Shopping and discounts, construction and architecture, health and medicine, science and technology. There are different applications of real numbers. Hope the concept of real numbers is clear to you all. That's all for today. Thank you.